Today we'd like to show you how to adjust the roller steadies on a Turbo 338. First of all, you need to get a piece of bar stock into the machine, which means also into the bar feed collet and into the lathe collet, both of them clamped, so we know that it's on center. At that time, you can start adjusting your rollers. First process is to loosen up the 8mm set screws here. Remove the door. Then you will start adjusting the rollers. As you can see, you have the bar stock already in the machine, which is on center. You'll come to your control panel. You'll make sure that you're in the manual mode by hitting your F7 key, which indicates you're in the manual. Next to it is your F8 key, and what you'll do there is you'll press it and you'll see your roller steadies close. At this point, you can start making your adjustments. Your back screw back here is your adjustment for the closed position. If you go clockwise, you will open the rollers for larger material. Counterclockwise will close the rollers for smaller material. At this point, you will start your adjustment, and as you come in, you will see that if you cannot move your rollers, it is too tight around your bar stock. You'll want to turn it clockwise to open it up to where you can just feel a little bit of tension on your rollers. At that point, your rollers are perfectly adjusted. You can tighten your 17mm lock screw down and put your door back on, and everything is complete.